Hey, how you doing? Okay. Do you like canned pinto beans, refried beans in a fast hot second? Or have you ever challenged yourself to make refried beans homemade from scratch? That's what I did for the first time the other week. Yeah. No, the end of the month of February 28th. I had a fit, I guess. You get all these bags of beans and stuff. And I'm like, okay, well, I always wanted to learn how to make it. I just never did. And I had a stepdad that was Mexican, and my mom and them were Polish. So you can imagine. I had two worlds always colliding. So yeah, we learned how to like refried beans, and you know, I love burritos. I love the Mexican rice. If anybody knows how to make the really good Mexican rice, let me know. I had a recipe for it, and then my sister-in-law decided to steal it. And then before she, steal the recipe, and then she died, and then her kids donated all the books to the local church in Monroe. So my Mexican recipe with the Mexican rice is gone. Yeah, but yeah. So if anybody got any good Mexican rice recipes, that'd be great, because I should surely love it to have it again. And there's the hot dog soup, pasta fazola. I love that, and I love the hamburger soup, and of course, you know, the menudo and all that. So yeah. So anyway, let's try our hands at making refried beans from scratch. Let's see if this old Polak lady can do something. Okay, here we go. Let's have some fun. Alright. I'm going to do a quick soak for the pinto beans. I'm going to sort them. I'm only going to use, it's only a pound bag, Tina. Okay, that much. I don't need to use all of it. God, this is so small. Okay. Quick soak. Rinse and sort beans in large pot to 1 pound beans, about 2 cups. So I'm going to use 2 cups of water. Add 6 to 8 cups of hot water. Bring to a rapid boil for 2 minutes. Remove from heat. Now what? Rinse and sort beans in large pot. Okay? To 1 pound bag of beans. About 2, so it's 2. So these beans come up to about 2 cups of beans. Okay. All right. Bring to a boil, rapid boil for 2 minutes. Remove from heat. All right. So let's go get some water. This is the quick soak. Alright. It's getting, some of the shells are coming off. And the water's getting way low. And Jessie's right there watching everything. I'm going to do it a little bit longer just to help the process. Alright, the next step. Shut it off. Remove from heat. Get my... These are hot. These are hot. Remove from heat. So much fun doing this one-handed. Remove from heat. Cover. And let stand for 1 hour. Alright, so in the meantime, we're going to go for a walk. Alright, so first you gotta rinse them. Okay, so I put 7 cups of water in. Alright, I did find a small onion. I'm only going to use a little bit of it. It still has another hour. Still has another hour. Alright. I drained them. All that's left is the mash. I wonder if they put them in a mixer. Or in a food processor. I wonder if some people put them in a food processor. Okay, I've mixed. I put onion powder, garlic powder. Definitely got to add salt. This is more or less you just add until you figure out it tastes okay. And I've mixed and beaten and mixed. And this is homemade, pinto beans. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, people. I'm going to tell you. My hands on it. So yeah. Just need to be chopped up more. And more salt. But hey, I made it. I made it. Alright, after much determination. After much determination, I've come to the conclusion that you just keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing until it looks better. Yeah, that's what I've discovered. Just keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and putting salt and whatever you want in it. Alright. And this is this is another recipe that I'm finally trying after 52 years old. Yeah, I'm finally trying. Alright. This is Tina the Outsider. Peace out. Who wants to try some? It tastes just like pinto beans. It's pinto beans, people. It's just not as smooth and pretty in a can. Yeah, it's homemade stuff. Alright, see ya.